Hello, sweetheart. Hello, sweetheart. How are you? How's the mama doing? What's that mama doing?
Needs back stretches.
Oh yeah, never needs love.
Yeah. Nobody's loved on this baby today.
What? You've not gotten any loving? Oh my goodness. Look at the babies, mama. Look at those babies, Mama Cedar.
Let's see them.
They sure are pretty. This is the big boy. This is the big hoss of the group. What you think about it, big man? Huh? Big old tummy. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna set her out here beside him.
She's the smallest one.
Yeah, this is little
Just,
girl.
big
So
boy
it's the
versus little
smallest one
girl.
and the biggest one.
He's so much bigger than her, it's funny. Look at that. Nothing better than being covered by little puppies.
So I have a rooster that refuses to stay in the barnyard, and he just wanders around all the time out in the backyard. I think the bearded wanderer's put him up, I don't know, half a dozen times already this afternoon. He's just hanging out. Probably inspecting what we're doing.
All right, so now I'm going to show you what it was we were talking about. We were talking about these beds back here at the back of the yard that are going to go in front of the goat pen. And what we plan on doing is taking these pallets, the same ones we built the strawberry planters out of, and I've got one that's... Hey Gremlin, what's up, big man? You want to say anything to everybody? Nothing? Okay. So basically what we're going to do is we're going to cut these things in half. So we'll be cutting them right there above the third board. And then we're going to take the extra boards that we have and we're going to fill in the gaps. And so what that'll do is that'll give us beds all the way around that height. And let me measure that for you real quick, see how tall that is. Here, come here and measure that for me, Mama. Mama Cita's gonna measure that for me. So the beds will basically be how tall?
About 17 inches tall.
About 17 inches tall. So I think that's a pretty good fit. They're almost 9 feet in length and they're a little less than 4 feet in width. I think that's a pretty good size bed. And should be relatively simple to put together once we cut them apart. Step back and get you a better picture. So we'll have these nice big long beds back here at the back of the yard. So keep on wondering what we're going to do, because actually it may change day to day. I don't know. What are you laughing? It should change the plan a few times. Okay, so what I wanted to show you is we've got one little panel done for the large beds that we're going to be doing back here. And this is basically kind of what they're going to look like. We're going to seal them and stuff, of course. Basically what we did is we took some of the boards off the back and two off the top, because it was a taller pallet like that. And we ended up screwing a couple of boards across the front, and it looked like a pretty quick and easy way to do it. So we're going to give that a shot. And anyway, that's what it's going to kind of look like. And I'll show you here pretty soon some of the work and some of the finished product, hopefully today. Okay, so we got all the boards off the back side of it, and now we got to take 2 of them off the front. So I'm gonna try to leave the 3 best on the front before we put the other ones on it. though.
It's cute. I like that. That looks good. It's gonna be really cute. And cue the rooster just because I turned the camera on.
Yeah, right. Okay, so I've got one more corner to go. My drill's about to run out of battery, and I don't have anything plugged in. Good job, Dad.
It's been one of them days, hasn't it?
It's been one of those days. All the ground's uneven. One more. There we go.
So what's left to do?
Okay, so for these, we're going to go ahead and seal them, and then fill them with dirt, and then I'm gonna put some trim and stuff around the outside. But I'm not gonna do that until after we seal them and fill them with dirt, because we got to get some stuff planted. So let's straighten them up and go to the next step.
Nice.
All right, now that we've gotten them all straightened out and looking pretty good, the only thing we have to do now is we are going to seal them. Then we are going to fill them with dirt. And after we fill them with dirt, we have a few little odds and ends, like some boards right here and maybe some trim along the top edges that we're gonna put on them. But we'll do those later, because right now we just need to get some stuff planted. So there's where we're at. And now I'm fixing to build some square beds, little small square beds to go in front. And man, this garden's coming along. Okay, well, Mama Sita's gonna be excited because the garden area is coming along. So we got 5 little square beds that we put in front of these long beds that we made the last couple of days. And look at that. It's looking pretty good, looking pretty good. Excited, excited. Let's check it out from the end here. Wow. Garden is coming together, and we got to hurry and get some dirt in those things. We got some plants that are just about ready to go in there. So anyway, super excited. That's looking great. Can't wait to be growing stuff. Awesome. Okay, I told y'all this thing, our little snowball tree, was getting ready to bloom, and it's getting ready. It's got one almost coming out right here. I'm telling you, man, when these things pop, they're going to be gorgeous. I can't wait to show you all the video. It sure is beautiful. Here we are at a little bit of an evening feeding time. Everybody's enjoying their grub, including Sweetheart down here. Kids are back there doing their thing, eating their stuff. The little girl's eating out of the bucket, so they'll let her eat. Just having a good old night. Of course, they don't know how to spread out, but that's okay. That is a black-bellied whistling duck. And they live in the pasture behind our house.